Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back, welcome back. And I got a class today, so I'm gonna try whip fast kind right here at Bayfront. Yes, sir. If I can get right. Yes, sir.
Hey, I got my canoe rigged up.
Yeah?
If you like, try. Huh?
Yeah.
And then we could take, somebody kind of hold in. Kind of go up and down over here.
Bruh, check this out, bruh. Probably can still pinch right now, so I'm not gonna mess with it, but bruh, I caught this on one of those sand crabs. In fact, I got the sand crab claw in my pocket. Yeah, one of those ohiki crabs. I dunk them. And bruh, so look at this. Serious, bro. This isn't fucking. This is big. It's probably a female, but. You know what I mean? Catching kook, bro. Bro, what kind of crab is this? Let me know. Is this swimming fins, though? Serious, bro. Ooh, yeah. Look at that. They mean business, bro, with these claws. Yes, yeah, I broke off the claws so that you don't catch me. Cause it's not a small one. It's not a small crab. This thing pinch you, bro. You're gonna wish that you took these claws off. I'm gonna eat everything. Everything you see here is going. So right now, I'm letting him flush out whatever is inside. So all that stuff on the ground. This is just clean. I just cleaned this water out. So everything you see, all of that little stuff, this all just came out. Looks like an alien with those red eyes. Just War of the Worlds. Class. I dunk one big ohiki. Ohiki is sand crab in Hawaiian. So I dunk one with a little hook. Not a small hook, but you know what I mean, like a medium sized hook, and with a whipping lead, and just dunked it maybe 20 feet out, 25 feet out from the by the Hawaii Kona Crab. Just left it and then did my class. We did our walk and then we did the push-ups. So after everything, I almost forgot my pole down there. So because I was bringing all my stuff, my girlfriend had a meeting. So I go to grab my pole. I'm looking at it and it's a tight line. So I'm thinking, okay, right on. It's probably stuck. So I grab onto it and I start pulling it, and I feel a good weight on it. And I'm thinking in my head, okay, it could be a branch or a log or something. So I just took my time, you know, reeling it in, keeping the line tight, and when it got close enough, so I walked to it and I was like, right on, I probably caught a branch or something. So I walk close to the water, I look, and I see this. I see this flapping on the surf, and I'm thinking in my head, right on. It's not a small one, it's a big one. So when I finally brought it up, I seen exactly how big it was in the pinchers. Oh man. So broke the pinchers off so that it doesn't get to me. Yeah. But I kept it alive because I wanted it to clean its system out. Flush its system out, whatever was in there. Knowing that this is Bayfront, so yeah. So my plans are, I'm gonna let it clean its system out right now, do its thing, and then I'm gonna boil it up boil it in some butter. Too bad I didn't get any salt water. It would have been prime to boil it in salt water. But I don't have salt water. So if I don't got salt water, I got some garlic salt right here. I'm gonna mix this garlic salt with the water and I'm gonna taste it. As soon as that fucker tastes like ocean, then we got somewhere. Alright, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe if you ain't subscribed yet, hit that notification bell so you guys are notified every time I drop a video. Get back to you guys in a bit. Alright there, boom. Separated the top of the shell from the bottom. Right now I'm just cleaning them, cleaning the guts. Make them cherry. Natalie, get off of there, but might you fall down? No! Right on, it's the right answer.
No!
Yes, soft. Yeah, like I said, I took off the top shell. I'm not cooking with this top shell on. There's no sense. Yeah. No sense. Wow, so sick though.
Didi!
Alright, I got the big claws. Alright, all of this. Put some water up in here. Let's get this boiling. Let's get this boiling, huh? Yeah. It's going down. It's going down. I know, I would be so frustrated too if I was frustrated. Yeah. Salt water is salty, but I'm pretty sure there's a too salty for salty water. Huh? Yeah, you know I gotta taste this thing with crab water. Yum yum. Nope, not ocean yet. Couple more tablespoons and then the oat tastes like ocean now with a slight garlicky taste. Yep, tastes like salt water. Oh, we're on. Oh, now you're trying to set daddy up so I can get a broken ankle. Alright. Bruh, we're on it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ah, sick. This is so awesome.
No.
And I was just thinking, bruh, I want to eat some maninis. Then I caught this. How many of you guys would rather eat this than fried manini? Now I know there's gonna be brothers that's like, bruh, no way, manini all the time, on point. But, bruh, a manini is never gonna be a crab. It's always gonna be a manini. Now if I was like, oh, okay, would you rather have lobster or this? Yeah, now you get comparison. Alright, we'll let them boil for a little while longer. Yee!
Yeehaw!
Yeehaw!
Yeehaw! Where's the papa?
No, Daddy doesn't need cinnamon in there. But thank you for trying to help me. Right on. It's not one of those foods where we put cinnamon, Daddy. Well, you know this thing there is just gonna taste good because these flies been just trying to find a way to get up in here and be around it. Yeehaw!
No. Okay, yeehaw. I'm a yeehaw.
Look at that, bruh. Oh, major. I gotta do a catch and cook on Bayfront. If I catch another one like this, just cook it right there on the spot. That should be good already. Should be long enough. Yep. All cooked. Yes, sir. What a guy.
In the West.
Look at my eyes. Look at my eyes. Okay. God, his claws. Not to keep him out from keepsake.
Kim Jong-un is changing his country with a new style
I need
of
a
leadership.
broke him.
It includes photo ops.
I need a fucking hammer.
Many think he's been influenced by the time he spent as a teenager in Switzerland.
God, this guy ain't leaving you guys on the camera. I just leave you.
Basketball and he's looking for people to play with. I'll never forget him with a, cheeky smile on his face, at the basketball.
Oh, look at that.
We pretty much just played constantly. He was very, very passionate. You could clearly see that he wants to win. He was very good, very quick.
Bro, this thing is fire.
He was on a completely different level than
Wow.
You might think. By
That's what's up. Now I know what I'm gonna be doing.
We all liked
Hanging out right there, where it's easy. Bayfront. Bro.
We did have interesting.
Oh, this is
chats
fucking
about
good.
North Korea. There was
Excuse
one
my language,
occasion where I was just asking something.
Yeah, that's right.
like,
Hey, anybody
how
know
is
what
it
kind of
there?
crab this is?
And I remember him
Shoot me
saying
in comment.
that North Korea is He's very, very
I should know this
advanced.
kind of stuff,
He's
but
going to be a big player in the future. You can definitely say that he was proud.
I usually pay attention to what I normally capture. Fucking action! Raw! Okay. Let me see how much meat come out of this thing right up.
The life of being a rich kid in
Hey.
Europe.
Just shut up, TV. I said talking. I turned the TV off now. Now you should be able to just fucking to hear me. Bruh, just the editing, bruh. I gotta keep on it. No copyright. Alright. Bruh, this is so good. Gotta catch a bunch more of these, bro. Like the dark skin on the inside of the meat. At first I was like, ah. But when I eat them, they're fighting this claw right now. You ain't gonna beat me. But I seen this in a video. You gotta use the claw to dig them out. Yup. Shout out to Taku, Chef Taku, Outdoor Chef Life. That was a good idea. Oh, I broke the claw. Man, I wanted to keep this. It's looking pretty sick. Bro. Oh, what's all that meat, bro? Oh, major. Okay, let me see if I can get this all one piece. I seen them on YouTube. They did them before. I can do them too. No, I don't know how they did them. Talented fucking people. Nah, come on. I like them. One piece. Oh, right there, right there, right there. Bro, come on. I feel like I'm trying to repair an elevator.
Hey!
Oh, bro, look at that. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, that tastes.
What is it?
It tastes amazing.
Awesome!
Okay, hold on. Let me get you in peace. Right on. So you're looking like an octopus with a bunch of these broken shells over there.
This is...
Okay, wait. I know you're excited.
Oh,
But I got you.
no.
Here, look. Here. 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 Look. Mama.
No.
Nope, is it right? It's the right answer then. This thing is so good. I never even need make the butter. I don't even need melt the butter. I cook them in the butter. It's good to go. Bro, this is bomb. Yeah, I don't know what kind of crab this is, so. And my phone's there at 2%. So I'm gonna make this quick. Mahalos for watching. Leave it in the comment section what kind of crab this is, because this is bomb. Yeah. If you want to see anything in specific, in particular, drop it in the comment section. Shout out to all my viewers all around the world, bro. Much mahalo, much love. Yes, sir. And should stay posted. I got some good content coming out. I'm probably gonna go the same place I caught this. set up my pop-up tent, maybe pull an all-nighter or something. I don't know. All right, aloha. Welcome for watching. Yes, see you guys there.